How to add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Double click on top to activate header and then press on insert located at top. In insert, you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down till you find special characters. Click on special characters and this kind of screen will pop up. In symbol, type in number and then in decimal, press on other. After that, you'll find Roman numerals at the bottom. Simply, if I want page 1, click on Roman numeral 1 and then close the tab. As you can see, number page is 1 in Roman numeral. After that, what you need to do is go to second tab. And before that, go to insert, scroll down to break, and then click on section break continuous. After that, go to second page and do the same. Go to insert. In insert, go to special characters, select number and other, select decimal number 2 and your second page will be decimal number 2. After that, you're good to go. This is how to add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.